Hello everyone. Facing Xfinity internet problems, slow speeds, no service, or common issues, this quick guide will help you get back online in no time. Why Xfinity internet issue occurs? Network outages. Local outages can disrupt service, often due to maintenance or damage. Modem or router problems. Faulty or outdated equipment can lead to connectivity issues. Network congestion. High user traffic can overload the network, causing slow speeds or disconnections. Interference. Physical obstructions or electronic devices can interfere with Wi Fi signal. Configuration errors. Incorrect settings or password can prevent device from connecting properly. Cable issues. Damaged or improperly connected cable may disrupt the internet signal. Fix 1. Check for outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area and knowing this can save time troubleshooting. Visit Xfinity's status page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Scroll down and click on check for outage. Enter your address to check the status. Fix 2. Check your payment. Ensure your account is up to date on payments and there is no pending payments. Go to Xfinity web page and log in. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then go to billing tab and check for pending payments. If needed, follow prompts to recharge for interrupted services. Fix 3. Test multiple devices. There might be an performance issue with the device, hence the internet speed slows down. Check several internet cable devices, smartphones, tablet, laptops to see if the connectivity issues is isolated to one device or affects the entire network. If only one device has issue, try updating its network settings or restarting it. This often resolves single device connectivity problems. Fix 4. Restart your device. Method 1. Modem or router restart. Unplug the power cord from your modem and router. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait for all lights to stabilize before testing your connection. Method 2. Via Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and sign in. Tap on the Wi Fi icon, then go to Troubleshoot and tap on Restart your gateway. Method 3. Via website. Go to Xfinity and log in. Navigate to the devices page and restart your modem. Device restart. Restart your computer, smartphone, or a tablet to refresh the network connection. On Windows, open command prompt and type shutdown, then go to R. On Android, press and hold the power button and select restart or reboot. On iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off and press the side button again to turn it back on. Fix 5. Remove and reconnect to the Wi Fi. There might be an issue with the device as it is unable to fetch the Wi Fi signal. This error usually occurs if a device has been connected to the Wi Fi network for more than 2 to 3 days. On iOS, go to Settings, then Wi Fi, tap the eye icon next to the network and select Forget this network. On Android, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, Wi Fi long press the network name and choose Forget. For Windows, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then go to Wi Fi, manage known network, select the network and click Forget. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Network, Wi Fi, click Advanced, select the network and click the minus button to remove it. After forgetting the network, reconnect by selecting it from the available networks list and entering the password if prompted. Fix 6. Verify Wi Fi settings. On the affected device, check that Wi Fi is enabled and that you are connected to your home Wi Fi network instead of an Xfinity Wi Fi hotspot like Xfinity or Xfinity. If you suspect that your Wi Fi network name or a password has changed, update your device's settings accordingly to reconnect. Open the Xfinity app or a website and log in. In the app, tap Network on the website, click Internet, and then Manage Wi Fi. Find your Wi Fi network name, SSID, tap or click on it and select Edit or Change Wi Fi password to enter your new password. Save the changes, then reconnect all devices using the new password and ensure they can connect properly. Fix 7. Contact Xfinity support. To contact Xfinity support for internet issues, you can visit their official website at Xfinity Customer Service for assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then scroll down and click Chat with Xfinity Assistant. Link to connect with support. They provide help for various services, including internet connectivity problems. You can also reach out to them via the Xfinity app or by calling their customer service number at 800-934-6489 for direct support.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.